Hey everyone, and welcome. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve and integrate into our workplaces, a new and increasingly vital role is emerging: the AI automation expert. But what exactly does this job entail? What do these experts do, and why are they so important for the future of work? Today, we'll demystify this exciting field and explore the skills and responsibilities of an AI automation expert. What exactly is AI automation? Making AI work for you. Before we dive into the expert role, let's quickly define AI automation. It's the process of using artificial intelligence to automate tasks and workflows that were previously done by humans. This can range from simple repetitive tasks to complex decision-making processes, all powered by AI. The role of the AI automation expert: bridging the gap. The AI automation expert is the professional who designs, develops, implements, and manages these AI-powered automation solutions within an organization. They are the architects who build the intelligent systems that streamline processes, boost efficiency, and drive innovation. Think of them as the translators between the potential of AI and the practical needs of a business. Key responsibilities of an AI automation expert: identifying automation opportunities. They analyze existing workflows and processes to identify areas where AI can be effectively applied to automate tasks and improve efficiency. This requires a keen understanding of both business operations and AI capabilities. Designing AI automation solutions. Based on identified opportunities, they design the architecture of the AI automation system. This includes selecting the appropriate AI technologies, defining data requirements, and outlining the integration with existing systems. Developing and implementing AI models. They work with data scientists and AI engineers to develop and train the AI models that will power the automation. This might involve working with machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, or computer vision. Integrating AI with existing systems. A crucial aspect is ensuring that the new AI automation seamlessly integrates with the company's current software, databases, and workflows. Testing and validation. They rigorously test the AI automation systems to ensure they are accurate, reliable, and performing as expected. This involves identifying and fixing any bugs or errors. Monitoring and maintenance. Once implemented, they continuously monitor the performance of the AI automation, making adjustments and providing ongoing maintenance to ensure optimal functionality. Training and support. They often train employees on how to interact with and utilize the new AI automation tools and provide ongoing support. Staying up to date. The field of AI is constantly evolving, so these experts need to stay informed about the latest advancements, tools, and best practices. Considering ethical implications. They play a crucial role in ensuring that AI automation is implemented ethically, considering factors like bias, fairness, and data privacy. Skills needed to become an AI automation expert: strong understanding of AI and machine learning, a solid grasp of different AI algorithms, machine learning techniques, and their applications. Programming skills. Proficiency in programming languages commonly used in AI development, such as Python. Data analysis and interpretation. The ability to work with data, understand patterns, and evaluate the performance of AI models. Problem-solving skills. The ability to analyze complex business problems and design effective AI solutions. Communication and collaboration skills. The ability to clearly explain technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders and work effectively with cross-functional teams. Business acumen. An understanding of business processes and how AI can drive value for the organization. Project management skills. The ability to manage the entire life cycle of an AI automation project. Ethical awareness. A strong understanding of the ethical considerations surrounding AI. Why is the AI automation expert role important? Driving efficiency and productivity. They are key to unlocking the potential of AI to automate tasks and improve overall productivity within organizations. Enabling innovation. By automating routine tasks, they free up human employees to focus on more creative and strategic initiatives. Improving accuracy and reducing errors. AI can often perform tasks with greater accuracy and consistency than humans. Creating new opportunities, AI automation can lead to the development of new products, services, and business models. Future-proofing businesses. As AI becomes more prevalent, organizations need experts who can navigate and implement these technologies effectively. Conclusion: shaping the future of work with intelligent automation. The AI automation expert is a crucial role in the modern business landscape, acting as the bridge between the power of artificial intelligence and the practical needs of organizations. By understanding their responsibilities and the skills required, we can appreciate the vital role they play in shaping the future of work and driving innovation through intelligent automation. Outro. Are you intrigued by the field of AI automation? What tasks do you think AI could best automate in the future? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our careers and society. Thanks for watching.